So we're storing these inside for today and for like the last few days. And actually, like they're all actually doing pretty good, but they haven't been growing because like we just planted them yesterday, I think. Yeah. And like just a reminder, these are plants. And this one, like they're actually good with snow because, and like this one is the this one's the most there's, see these little white things, this one's the most that has it. And this one has like a lot of chunks because this one was the second one I put in, I think, but yeah, and second, okay. And this one has like wood chips and like a lot of like little seeds. And it's very wet. So you're
End it.
These are all, so you're gonna be listening to Gwen.
And why are we storing them inside?
We're storing them inside because if you see, there's a bunch of snow, but it's not really winter. It's not winter. It is spring.
Springtime. But we're going to store them inside until it gets a little bit warmer out in a couple days, right?
Yeah.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Oh, you're listening to Gwen.
Growing.
Growing science experiment.
Thank you.
Thank you.